As a homeowner in West Valley City, you understand that keeping your home in top condition is essential. However, some home improvement projects, like door replacement, can often seem costly. Fortunately, there are budget-friendly door replacement solutions that can improve your home's aesthetic appeal, security, and energy efficiency without breaking the bank. Whether you're replacing an old, worn-out door or simply upgrading for better functionality, there are numerous options available that combine affordability with quality. In this article, we'll explore budget-friendly door replacement solutions for West Valley City homeowners, helping you make a smart, cost-effective investment for your home. Choose the right materials. When looking for an affordable door replacement solution, the material you choose plays a significant role in the overall cost. While high-end materials like solid wood or fiberglass can be expensive, there are more budget-friendly options that still offer durability, security, and style. Steel doors. Steel doors are one of the most cost-effective choices for homeowners looking for both security and insulation. These doors are incredibly durable, resistant to warping and damage, and often come with insulated cores to improve energy efficiency. They can be painted to match your home's style, and the investment in a steel door offers long-lasting value at an affordable price point. Vinyl doors. Another excellent option for homeowners on a budget is vinyl doors. These doors are known for their low maintenance and affordability, making them a popular choice for many homeowners. Vinyl doors provide solid protection against the elements and are energy efficient, helping you save on heating and cooling costs. Wood-clad or composite doors. For those who love the look of wood but are seeking a more affordable option, wood-clad or composite doors are an excellent alternative. These doors combine the aesthetic of wood with the durability of other materials like fiberglass or PVC, offering a cost-effective way to get the look you desire without the high cost of solid wood doors. By choosing the right material for your door replacement, you can meet your needs without going over budget. Consider factors like weather resistance, security, and maintenance when selecting the best option for your home. Opt for simple design. While decorative doors with intricate designs, side lights, and other features can look stunning, they can also be quite expensive. If you're looking to save on your door replacement project, opting for simpler designs can make a big difference in your final cost. Plain panel doors. If you want an updated look without paying for fancy designs, plain panel doors can provide a sleek, modern look at a lower price. These doors are functional, easy to install, and available in various materials like steel, fiberglass, or wood, giving you versatility within your budget. Solid core versus hollow core. Solid core doors are generally more expensive than hollow core doors, but hollow core doors still offer durability and security for a much lower cost. If your primary concern is functionality, a hollow core door might be a budget-friendly solution that still meets your needs. By focusing on simple and classic designs, you can reduce costs without sacrificing the quality or functionality of your door. Consider DIY installation. One of the best ways to save money on a door replacement project is by handling the installation yourself. Hiring professionals for door installation can be costly, but if you're comfortable with basic home improvement projects, you may be able to complete the installation on your own, significantly reducing the overall cost. DIY kits. Many door replacement kits come with all the necessary materials and instructions for easy installation, making it possible for homeowners to replace their doors without professional help. If you've done some basic home repairs before, this could be a great way to save money while improving your home. Helpful tutorials. If you're unsure how to go about installing a new door, there are countless online tutorials and step-by-step guides available that can help walk you through the process. From measuring the door frame to securing the door in place, these resources can ensure you get the job done correctly. Of course, door installation can be tricky for some, and mistakes can lead to additional costs down the road. If you're unsure, it's always a good idea to get a professional's advice before proceeding with a DIY project. Look for discounts and deals. One of the easiest ways to reduce the cost of your door replacement project is by taking advantage of discounts and special offers. Many home improvement stores offer seasonal sales, clearance items, or promotions on doors and related materials. Be on the lookout for these deals to get a quality door at a fraction of the usual price. Bulk discounts. If you're replacing multiple doors in your home, ask if the store offers bulk discounts or if they can cut you a deal on installation if you're purchasing more than one door. Local deals. Check for local door suppliers or contractors who may offer discounts or package deals for door replacement. Sometimes local businesses can provide more personalized service at a lower price than national chains. Choose a reputable contractor with affordable rates. If DIY installation isn't an option, you'll want to hire a professional installer to ensure your doors are properly installed. However, professional installation doesn't have to be expensive. Look for a contractor who is known for providing quality service at affordable rates. Get multiple quotes from local contractors and ask about discounts or package deals for both the door and installation services. Conclusion. Affordable door replacement solutions for West Valley City homeowners. Upgrading your doors doesn't have to be an expensive endeavor. With the right material choice, design, and installation approach, you can replace your doors with a budget-friendly solution that improves the functionality, security, and appearance of your West Valley City home without straining your finances. By opting for steel or vinyl doors, sticking to simple designs, considering DIY installation, and looking for discounts, you can keep your door replacement project affordable and hassle-free. Don't let cost hold you back from improving your home. There are plenty of budget-friendly options that can deliver long-lasting benefits and enhance the comfort and security of your living space.